That's what he's talking about. The fish. The fish. He's feeding the fish. And they're coming.
Oh God. Oh my goodness. Oh. There was a couple.
I know how to paint them.
What kind of fish?
Mexican piranhas.
Oh.
Oh, Mexican piranhas.
Mexican piranhas.
Yeah.
Mexican aquarium. I remember, you look at the beak. Okay, guys, let's go.
Okay,
San Andres Cave.
let's do it.
Uh-oh.
Okay?
That sounds scary.
The what cave?
San Andreas Cave.
Oh. I wonder if it's part of the
Earthquake.
San Andreas fault line.
Probably.
Comes all the way down.
Oh, that's gonna be exciting.
Yes. What if we have an earthquake? Tsunami.
No.
Oh, yes. Yes.
What is he for?
Yep.
Where did you eat? Where did you eat?
Oh.
Yo, bro.
Thought he was
Eating the bread. He's eating fish food. He eats dog food and cat food too.
Okay. What?
Huh? He eats dog food and cat food too.
No, I don't. No problem, looking.
You eat good, huh?
He's very strong. Good eating. Very strong.
What is your favorite food?
Pizza.
People hungry.
I don't know. I tried to
Hot dog?
Yeah.
ceviche.
Empanadas.
Taco. Ah, it's warm. It's sushi.
Sushi.
Sushi. Eat burritos.
Burrito.
I know you eat the burritos?
Yeah.
I like burritos. The burritos is so big.
Oh yeah.
You said, it's really good.
Oh, we call those burrito grande.
Mexican.
We call them Cali burritos.
Oh,
We got the
Cali.
San Diego burritos with the fritas in it.
So do you come with him and do the tour?
Yeah.
You
For
go-
the Mexican capital.
Do you go to school? How come? Summertime?
It's for my family. It's the police.
Okay, you
So, like, yeah.
yeah.
For me going on vacation, the road.
No school. How did you learn to speak English? Cabo here.
The boat.
Tourists.
Yeah.
Wow.
Nice.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay.
Let's hear it.
What in a few seconds?
Okay.
Give me these 10 seconds.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9, you better slow down.
9,
9.5.
9,
9 3/4.
10. You're welcome to the Magic Cave. Where the Magic Cave is the San Andres Cave.
And Andreas.
Where is the San Andres Cave? It's where the like 2 people go in, is a 3 come out.
Oh.
It's a magic, maybe 4. I don't know. Okay guys, you're welcome to the Lovers Beach.
Lovers Beach?
Yeah, Lovers Beach.
Yeah, okay.
Enamorados. Y for so right here the lovers beach. So on the side the divorce beach.
That's where I throw you in.
If we're so right here to the CU Cortez, the word is CU Cortez. So on the side to the Pacific.
Yeah.
Please, no swimming to the guys the Pacific.
Okay.
Why is the name the Mexican divorce? It's for the last two persons go in.
Yeah.
Is the one came out.
Oh.
Magic.
The other one was in the cave.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So if you lose them there, you got to go to the cave to get them back out.
Okay, guys.
Now what?
Okay, looking, guys. This one over there, the light rock.
What
the
is
next,
it?
The next two fingers. Next.
You're not stopping there?
Favorite thing to do.
We just
It's a tour.
This one right here to the next two finger. Why the next two finger? What is the name? It's the Baja Peninsula backside down. It says drop de los cabos. The wind. Los cabos. Yeah, it's the cabo number 1.
Oh, Carlos is number 1.
Yeah.
What's your favorite thing to do?
What?
In Mexico.
Mexico? Ow.
Is Cabo number 1?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You sure?
No, favorite thing to do in
Yeah, he's
I don't
thinking.
know.
He's
he's
thinking.
thinking. It was a trick. It was a good question.
Nah. Is it why number 1?
Why is it number 1? Because you live here? You think it's number
For you?
Home is always number 1.
Why is it number 1?
1. Today it's
The
number
word.
1 for us.
Okay.
Today,
okay.
number 1.
Okay. No, sorry, is the lace in the beach? So on the side, the Lovers Beach, Pelican Beach, is the closing. Is the Lovers Beach, Pelican Beach, and Balcony Beach. Is the lace closing. Why is the last to the? Is the boats? Is the 6 o'clock? Is we're not going to the.
Oh.
Yeah. It's for no more tours. Sorry.
That's okay. We're
Oh,
doing beach tomorrow.
Tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow we're going to the
Tomorrow
beach.
morning.
Yes, we're going
Are-
snorkel and beach.
To the Pelican.
Maybe you can take us
Look,
to
it's the
Pelican.
last Pelican Beach. Is there really, really nice. Why? So on the side to the is the hanger different beach. Mexican aquarium. Why is it looking the more fish? Where you going? Then the
Are we gonna hit
tortillas.
that rock?
Yeah.
The tortillas.
Oh, okay.
Push. That's more fish going.
Okay.
Really nice. Okay, guys, you're welcome to the Pacific. Is the Pacific window.
The window to the Pacific.
Yeah, Pacific to the window. Why? They're looking to the Pacific side. Oh, is what is the name? Is the window to the peace. It's for the lights that
Oh.
connect to the 2 oceans.
I see.
Okay.
That looks like it too.
It's nice.
The keyhole.
Yep.
Are you ready, guys, to be looking for my office?
Yeah, let's see it.
For my Mexican office.
This is it.
Yeah.
He's gonna show us.
It's
1,
on the other side.
2, 3. Oh, come on, Mama.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
To the arch.
There it is.
Oh, yay!
Looking, guys. These are right here the lights different pictures. Okay? The lights picture to high. The lights push it to the logo in the water. These are right here the Mexican picture. Look in the Mexican picture. It's the Mexican picture. Okay, guys. Are you ready to the coming back to the pictures? You going to the city front?
Oh,
Oh,
Yeah.
for pictures.
Okay.